everyone and welcome to our celebration assembly. It's Friday again and we've got lots to celebrate. So hello to all the children who are watching this in their classrooms, and hello also to our children who may be self-isolating at home, including all of our year 2. So our year 2 children, a big hello to you from us at school to your houses. So I hope you're watching at home too. We've got lots to share this week, lots of good things that have been happening and lots of things to celebrate. So today's assembly, we're going to hear from our teachers to hear who our stars of the week are. We're also going to see which classes are winning on our attendance league. We're also going to be seeing who our rights respecters of the week are. We're also going to see who our readers of the week are. And we're also going to see who our Spanish stars of the week are. So loads and loads of things to celebrate. But first of all, we're going to go over to our teachers to hear who they've chosen for their stars of the week this week.
Hi everyone. 40H's Child of the Week this week is Roxy. Roxy has come back to school this September with a huge smile on her face, determined to do her best, and she is already pushing her limits in all of her subjects. Roxy doesn't always find it easy to come into school, but she has been a fantastic help, helping me with Ripley in the mornings. She has been my chief dog assistant, helping to look after him every day.
She's such a big-hearted pupil. She's kind to me, she's respectful, and she's really responsible. I can really trust her to do any job I ask of her. So thanks, Roxy, for all the hard work, and keep it up.
Well done.
Joseph, Mrs. Tilly and I have chosen you to be a Star of the Week because you've been trying really hard to push your limits and complete work more independently. And since returning to school, you've been working really hard. So keep it up, Star of the Week. See you soon. Bye.
Hello Year 4. My Child of the Week this week is Anna. Anna, I have chosen you as my Child of the Week because I've been really impressed with the work that you have completed in English, the poetry. I was really impressed with the work that I read. Keep it up.
My Child of the Week this week is Tyler. He's worked really hard and pushed his limits, especially in maths, where he's understood all the concept and really contributed well in class. Well done, Tyler.
Hello everybody, my Child of the Week this week is Iffy. Iffy, your poetry performance absolutely blew me away. I was in so much shock, so much awe and wonder at your bravery, your innovation, and on top of that, it was absolutely hilarious. If anyone sees Iffy, please ask him to perform his poem. It was fantastic. Keep up the good work, Iffy.
Hi everyone, this week I've chosen Arissa as my Child of the Week. The reason I've chosen her is she's really kind and caring in the classroom. She always follows all of the school values and she's made really good progress already in English and maths. So keep it up, Arissa, well done.
My Child of the Week this week is Colt. I've chosen Colt just because I'm really enjoying teaching him so far. He's got amazing ideas in literacy and he's got a really good sense of humour. So it's just been a joy to have in class. So thank you, Colt. Keep up the good work.
This week I've chosen Taylor as my Star of the Week. He's come to school very happy and he's trying really hard to be independent. Keep it up. Well done, Taylor.
Good morning. My Child of the Week this week is Amy Eggington. And I have to choose Amy because she did something wonderful and came into school with a Blue Peter badge. Not just any old Blue Peter badge, but one for the environment, which is really important and is a focus of our visual literacy. So it kind of balanced out. And I love the way that she applies herself to all of her work. She's not afraid of a challenge. She is just such an enthusiastic learner, a joy to teach, and I just love having her in my class, and I hope she's able to achieve all she's capable of this year. Looking forward to the rest of it with you, Amy. Bye.
My child of the week is Shay. Shay, you have settled so well into school. You're following our routines, you're doing independent work, you've made lots of friends, and we are really pleased with you. Keep it up, Shay. Well done.
My child of the week goes to Georgia, and I've chosen Georgia this week for being big-hearted. Georgia, you are always using your manners, saying please and thank you. And around the classroom, whenever you see somebody struggling on an activity, you will go over and help them. As well, you are always bringing in your reading book and it is signed. So keep this up, Georgia. Well done.
3MC's Child of the Week this week is Ebony. I've chosen you, Ebony, for being a real superstar. You've really pushed your limits since we've come back and have shown all of our school values, especially being brave by putting your hand up a lot more and coming out of your shell and answering more questions in class. It's been really lovely to see. So well done, Ebony. Keep up the amazing work.
The star of the week I've chosen in 2BS is Nori. Nori, you have been absolutely fantastic this week. You have been especially big-hearted. We've had a new child start in 2BS and you've been asking if she's okay, telling her to come sit next to you, taking care of her, playing with her at playtimes and lunch times. So thank you for helping our new child settle into 2BS. Well done.
Hi everyone, the Learning Mentor Child of the Week this week has been decided by Mrs Tarrant, and she's picked Corey Hard in 1KR. We are delighted with Corey. He's settled really well back into school. He's pushing his limits every day. He's showing what it is to be resilient, to be independent, and he's been unusually brave. Well done, Corey.
This week I have chosen Arham as my child of the week. I've been so impressed with him. He's coming to school and he's trying really hard to be independent. I'm really proud of him. Keep it up.
My child of the week this week is Zahia. Zahia, I have chosen you because you set a remarkable standard to the rest of the class. You push your limits in every single lesson, making sure that in maths you get to the problem-solving activity, and in English you always use your best handwriting, you check your work through, and you include all of the ideas that we have talked about on the carpet. So keep up the remarkable work, Zahia.
Hi everyone, my child of the week this week in 1KR is Tyron, and I've chosen Tyron for his fantastic maths work. He came and did our activity and he worked really hard. He's settled in beautifully this week as well, so I'm just really proud of you. Keep up the good work.
Hi everyone, my child of the week this week is Bradley Reynolds. He has come back after drinking some sort of miracle water, I'm sure of it, because he has been doing absolutely phenomenally well in everything this year. And it's so nice to see your confidence levels improved this year, Bradley, and how much you're contributing in class. So keep up the hard work, keep amazing me with your fantastic results, and we're going to have a great year this year. So well done, and you are for sure an easy choice this week for my child of the week. Well done.
This week's Child of the Week in nursery is Hiba Noor. She has been absolutely remarkable with her reading this week. She's read to all of the teachers in the school and we're really proud of her. Well done, Hiba.
Okay, big thank you to all of our staff there for the lovely messages, and a big well done to all of our stars of the week this week. Well deserved. Like I said, we've got other things to celebrate too, including attendance, and I'll be coming round to each of the classroom doors to deliver your attendance plaques, which will tell you what your percentage is for your class this week, and I will also bring in round the cups to our best early years class, our best Key Stage 1 class, and our best Key Stage 2 class. So look out, I'll give you a wave, and I'll also be delivering your plaque for your doors. So the league for our attendance seems to be running really well, and you'll see after I finish speaking who our winners are so far, and you'll be able to see where your class rank within the league. But I would like to give a special shout out this week. Like I said, we do find out about who our rights respecters of the week are, but I would like to give a shout out this week to our duty bearer. And our duty bearer this week has been chosen by Miss Hadfield, but I know a lot of staff would agree with this. Our duty bearer this week is Mr. Jules. And Mr. Jules has been awarded this week for keeping our school clean and safe and ready for children to come in and staff to come in and work safely. So a big shout out and big well done to Mr. Jules. Keep up the hard work. And now, before, one last thing, I promise, just one last thing now before we go over to find out about attendance and everything else. The best readers of the week were nominated by their class teachers, and you'll see the whole list of them come up after I finish speaking. So a big well done to our readers of the week. But at random, I asked Mr. Taylor to choose a class. He didn't know what he was choosing, and the class that he chose was Free MC. And the reading award this week for Free MC, the winner is Naima. So Naima, I'm going to be bringing a token to you to come and spend in our new book vending machine, and you're our first person, first lucky winner to get a book from our vending machine. So we'll be sharing some pictures of that on Twitter and Facebook and on our website. So thank you everyone for a great week. Well done to all of our superstars of the week. Have a lovely weekend, and we'll see you all again on Monday.
I've been staring at the edge of the water long as I can remember, never really knowing why. I wish I could be the perfect daughter, but I come back to the water no matter how hard I try. Every turn I take, every trail I track, every path I make, every road leads back to the place I know where I cannot go, where I long to be. See the line where the sky meets the sea, it calls me, and no one knows how far it goes. If the wind in my sail on the sea stays behind me, one day I'll know. If I go, there's just no telling how far I'll go.
I have often dreamed of a far-off place where a hero's welcome would be waiting for me, where the crowds would cheer when they see my face, and a voice keeps saying, this is where I'm meant to be. I'll be there someday. I can go the distance. I will find my way. If I can be strong, I know every mile would be worth my while. When I go the distance, I'll be right where I belong. Down an unknown road.
Every turn I take, every trail I track,
to embrace my fate.
I make, every road leads back.
Though that road may wander, it will lead me to you. And 1,000 years
I can lead with pride, I can make us strong.
would be worth the wait.
I'll be See the light.